Okay, so we've had a review video. We talked about how Y sometimes says I at the end of short words. Now we're going to apply something we've already talked about. So you may have heard of what we call rabbit words, right? So rabbit is just an example of a word that follows this rule. So when you have, get this pen going here, highlighter's probably easier. So the word rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, okay? So if I label it, right, I have R as a consonant, A as a vowel, B as a consonant, and I've got another B, so it's a consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, when you have this pattern of two consonants together, that's a good place where you can usually break up a word into parts. So for rabbit, use a different color. I could put a dot here in between the two consonants and break it up. So I could cover up this half of the word, right, and just look at R-A-B and sound that out, rab, right? This consonant's protecting it from the I, so the A is going to make the short sound. It's going to say ah, so rab, and then the other half of the word, if I cover up the first part, says bit, rabbit, rabbit, okay? So this is following a similar pattern, except it's got a Y at the end, okay? So they've underlined their vowels and labeled them just like I did with a rabbit. So I've got vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They put their dot in between, okay? So if I sound out the first half of the word, right on the first half of the dot, right, what is this word? Right, pen, very good. So N, pen, like the right, pen. And then I can sound out this last part. When you've got a rabbit rule like this with a Y at the end, so a longer word, right, not a short 3 to 4 letter word, but a longer word with Y at the end, it's going to say E instead of I. So Y at the end can say I sound, long I, or it can make the long E, okay? So if at the end of a long word, it's going to say the E. So pen, E, me, penny, penny, right? Just like in the picture. So let's take a look here. So right in this word's penny, okay? I see the two consonants together here, right? So I'm going to put my dot in between. So first I sound out this first half, and pan, right? And then E, because I know it's going to say E. It's at the end of a long word, consonant in front of it. C, pansy, pansy, like a flower, okay? All right, this word, I'm going to break it up. I see where the two consonants are. I see it's longer than 4 letters. So know this Y is going to say E. So this last part is going to sound like T, E, T, like a glass of tea. All right, this half says dusty, 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 like my house is dusty. All right, oh, here's a good long one. Okay, so where are my two consonants? I have one here, but I usually don't break up a word where there's just one letter by itself. So let me keep looking. Okay, great. I can break it up there. So let's sound out this part. Tw, twin, t, 20, 20, like the number 20. Okay, I'm going to give you a chance. I really would like you to pause the video, write these words down so that you can put the dot in between the two consonants and break it up and sound it out. Okay, pause the video, do that, and then I'll show you what I found. Okay, so I would have put a dot here, 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 and here. Okay, so this word would have been pop, P, poppy, sand, E, sandy, dad, oh, I know this one, daddy, app, hap, E, happy, sun, knee, sunny. Okay, so now I want us to take a second and see if we can figure out which words have the I sound and which ones have the E sound. Okay, I know the I, Y says the I sound when it's at the end of a short word, so 3 to 4 letters, and has a consonant in front of the Y. And then Y can say E at the end of the word if it's a longer word. Okay, so let's see, 3 letters. So this one's going to say I. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, consonant in front of it. So 5 is longer, so it's going to make E sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3 to 4 letters, so it's going to say I. All right, consonant in front of it, definitely longer, so it's going to say E. Okay, what about this one? I. Okay, oh, tricky. This one, what comes in front of the Y? All right, it's a vowel, so it's not even going to follow the rule that we've been talking about, right? That word is day. The Y is acting like a vowel to make the A say its name.